Hi, I'm Kathy, and I just want to give you some direction on how to get to class on Monday morning. This will be the fast version. We can talk more about the Blackboard site during lecture. But we are at the JCC website. I'm choosing My JCC. Okay, this is bringing me directly into the faculty and staff portal. Your portal will look different. And I want to go into Blackboard. And under my classes, I have different options than you do, obviously, but make sure that you're choosing tomorrow to go into, whether we're in 131 or 106, make sure that you're choosing to go into the number 1, okay? Don't choose an L option here. So it says Bio 106 1, says Bio 131 1. Make sure that you choose that option rather than an L option. So we're going to go into 106. And I have the student preview on, so yours should look very similar to this. On the left are the options. If you don't see options, if there's nothing there, then you'll probably have them collapse down. Find the arrow, pull it out, and there are your options. Okay, we're going to collaborate for lecture. This is where you're going to be. I'm going to pull up a demo to show you today. But tomorrow, when you come, or not tomorrow, excuse me, Monday, every lecture, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, when you come in, you're going to hit this button, and it will show you all the options. So you want to make sure that you hit the top option. You can check the date. This will be Monday mornings. But it won't allow me to go in because it's not started yet. So instead, I'm going to use the demo to show you today. The demo won't be there on Monday, so you won't get mixed up. You want to join the session. You want to allow for your microphone. You want to allow for your video. And I apologize, this is cut off, but then you have the option to share video down below. And when you do, it'll ask you to allow again. You may have a little bit different order here. I got to do it again, it looks like. Okay, and it's giving me the option to share my video, so it's going to show you what you look like. My face looks awfully red today. Anyway, so I'm going to share the video, and I also have microphone down here. And I would encourage you to at least get set up for your microphone in case you would like to say something, but you don't have to leave it on, obviously. So I'm going to turn that back off. I'm going to turn this off. When you want to leave, up in the left-hand corner, there is a menu, and down on the bottom, it'll say Leave Session. So when we're done, that's what you'll hit. You can skip this, and you're all set. Okay, so I'll see you on Monday morning. Have a great weekend.